love. So in today's video we'll be making this cocoyam yam porridge. This food tastes super delicious, mouth-watering. You don't want to miss out on this recipe. So if you are interested in learning how to make this delicious recipe, then let's jump right into the video. So these are the ingredients that we will be needing in making this recipe. Some cocoyam, you need some yam, red oil, need some mackerel or salmon, some herrings. We also need some green pepper and this salted tasty fish. We'll also need some onions, and then we need some beef. You can choose to use any meat of your choice. And then next, just went ahead and then spread this all together into the shapes and sizes that we wanted. And next, guys, you have to transfer all of this into your blender and then blend everything to complete puree. You have to add in some water before blending, so that you blend it very well. And after blending, it should be looking like this. So next, in a pot on medium to high heat, transfer your cocoyam and yam and then add in your blended ingredients. Then our salted tasty fish goes in, our herrings, all of that goes in. Oh, this food is delicious. Our mackerel or salmon goes in next. Our beef, curry powder, salt, and some water. Add enough water. Yes, this food requires a lot of water because we want our food to be porridgey. Yes, if you don't want it to be too porridge, you can just add any amount of water and you are good to go. So stir everything to combine. Look at how beautiful it's looking already. This food tastes super delicious, trust me, guys. And all the food ingredients will be in the list in the description box, so be sure to check it out, okay? There will be a secret ingredient, so you want to watch this to the end of the video so you don't miss it out. So next, you want to cover your pot and then allow this to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes or until your yam and then your cocoyam are soft enough. So after cooking for about 15 minutes, our secret ingredient is so we now open our pot, and this is our secret ingredient. I added in some stew, yes, tomato stew to this recipe. It's not necessary to add tomato stew. You can choose to add fresh onions or tomato paste, but I choose to add tomato stew because of the taste and flavor it adds to this dish, and as well as enhancing the color of this dish to make it look more beautiful. So guys, when making this, don't forget to add tomatoes. You can use 2 or 3 small tomatoes and then you blend it afterwards, and then you just add it to your meal, and trust me, it's going to take your meal to the next level. And look at our food, it's boiling. This is how you want it to boil. You want this to cook on high heat so that all your yam and then cocoyam become soft. We checked and then it wasn't ready. About 30 minutes. It needed some more time, so I just stirred everything together and the water was still enough, so I just covered this and allowed it to cook for some more time. So yeah, allow this to cook until it's ready. When it's ready, it will be looking super soft, and you see it just in a second. This is how it should be looking. Look at that goodness. Oh my god, this dish tastes so delicious. Just look at that. Soft, well combined. This healthy dish. When you enjoy this dish, you make it each and every day. Trust me. It tastes really, really good. Yeah. So you just stir everything together. Next, our red oil goes in. Oh, look at that. This food just tastes delicious. When we were done, it actually tasted very, very, very delicious, and we enjoyed this food. We enjoyed it very well. So you guys should try and let me know what you think. Oh, look at how beautiful the food is looking already. So we'll allow this red oil to do its own thing. So we just cover it for some few more minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes, and just allow the red oil to melt beautifully into our dish before we enjoy it. And want to stick around to the end because I'll be adding a touch of class to this dish. So you guys don't go anywhere. If you want to really enjoy this dish, just stick around. So we checked again, and oh my god, this food tasted just as it looks. It tastes so delicious. If you haven't tried before, this one recipe I'll recommend that you try and you not regret. No, you will never regret trying. So just try. Now our food is ready now. Just take it off the heat and serve immediately. So we are serving our cocoyam porridge with all its goodness. Voila! Our cocoyam porridge is ready. We now garnish with some green bell pepper just to take your food to another level. Yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. You guys should try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more uploads. You can watch my previous video, pizza, jollof rice, KELEWELE. Have a nice day. Love you. Bye.